Okay, here we are at the front entrance, and so immediately what I'm finding here is there's no seal beneath the door. So the tenants did tell me that they have to put this towel here at entry. So this video is going to be a kind of a quick one. I'm just going to point out some of the issues, and then I will do an additional video walkthrough. So here is the bunk area. A deficiency here that was pointed out to me by the tenants was sort of like this here, and there's a two mattresses here, so they haven't really been able to use this just because it's uncomfortable, they said, and it's just kind of like a little unsafe being that high. Go ahead and take a look here. And one of the things that they did point out to me, that this sliding glass door here is broken. So it seems like all these doors are going to need to be replaced. This is their coat closet. Okay. Now, this bedroom, they didn't really mention anything being bad in here. I did notice this floor was just put in. It was carpet, but I mean, it is, you know, the baseboards, when you come in, it's almost as if you can see there's been some sort of water damage because they were not really, you can kind of tell here, they all kind of need to come out. It just looks as if maybe they had a leak. Sort of the whole, you can kind of see the whole edge here just needs to be redone. Pull back out here. Okay, as far as washer dryer, she said that the dryer doesn't function quite well. It takes two passes, I guess, two dry loads to dry anything, so it probably needs cleaned out. But having a full size side by side is pretty awesome. So those are, it's a possibility that those might need to be replaced. So these cabinets, pretty decent. Inside isn't the best. So you have a storage closet in here that you can turn into an owner's closet. There is a key lock there. This is probably the water heater. Okay. Oh my, that looks definitely original. Might have to get on a service plan here. There's some paint left over. All right, what else did they point out to me? Let's go ahead and do a little bit more. Looks like that's warped. Yeah, like a little weird. Looks like they've had to come in and do some patching, probably because this vent doesn't work very well. No mold, no smell of mold, which is really nice. Oh, so this is the Jack and Jill type bath. Okay, let's look under here. Yeah, so just cheapo cabinets, but might be able to get by with refacing them. Let me just pop in here and just look at the shower real quick. Yes. So there was a bar, it looks like, here, and it's gone. Okay. Let's see. That might have to be replaced. I've seen some really pretty options to replace that vent. I don't know the size, but I might be able to find out. Okay, as far as the kitchen goes, they said that refrigerator is not good. It's pretty much toast. She said a lot of the cabinets are kind of wonky, which it looks like it just needs a whole new appliance package, to be quite honest. She said that the toaster isn't working. Okay, let's just take a look here. It works, the refrigerator works, but there's the pantry. What else did she say? Let's look under here real quick. Okay. So no real leaks, but this is what she was referencing. We've got some of that peeling going on all across the board here. Wet bar, the next item. Right here at the wet bar, they removed the ice machine, so that could be replaced. You may be able to get a really beautiful wine fridge, ice maker combo, but I do want to tell you that across the board, they've had issues a lot with, I'm gonna just show you how much alcohol these people have. They've had issues here with the these leaking, so, all right. What else was I to show you? Ah, yes, okay, so definitely couch is toast. They said that this is extremely uncomfortable to sit in. I think you might be able to get by with reusing it, but honestly, it's kind of big for the area. You could probably keep this table. It's in great shape. You could keep this dining table if you'd like. Chairs look good. Remarks, there's only one bar stool. That's a little strange. Oh wait, no, I found the other bar stool. So right here, that DVR box, they're renting it, but I mean, you can kind of see like, they kind of cut corners here. Crazy. So next item, what did they say? So curtains, these blackouts are fine. They're on the little slider. Here, we can kind of look. They've been replaced before. I see they were mounted there before. Back here. Those are kind of dirty, so they need to go, and that does not stay up, she said. So your rollers at these stores will need to be cleaned. It's a couple $100 to have somebody come in and professionally clean them, and it really helps to open it because this one they can open physically, but she said this one here in the master is extremely difficult to open. And again, I mean, even here, you got some trim that needs attention. So let me step out to this balcony real quick. These chairs, they said were here, but that they had to buy these 4 chairs, but they're going to be leaving them. And then there wasn't even a table out here for them. So I just wanna, since I'm here, they had just repainted these balconies from what I understand, so that won't need to be done. And here is the view. We are not too high, so I really like in this level. It feels really good. So just look down here, just kind of see where we're at. Okay. Got this outdoor outlet. I think they said that didn't function, so we'll have to figure that out. Those lamps definitely gotta go. All new ceiling fans for sure. The flooring transition here is just like weird. Since it was carpet, you can see kind of they didn't put probably the lever. There's like a layer of quiet material like hush mat that you put beneath this stuff. It looks like they didn't install that, but rather just kind of put it directly on the ground. Let's see, what else did they mention? So you could definitely use these. This master is huge. You could definitely work with this. This could probably stay. It's a little chintzy, but they've mounted the TV here. Okay, so obviously you could probably stick another seating area. Here, there's that. Okay, so all these doors they did say are extremely difficult to open and that they kind of creak. Oh, so they didn't see where they left the carpet in the closet. That's nice. So if we can come up with a good idea of what to do here. Oh my goodness. So you kind of pull this and it sort of separates. Okay, what else did they tell me? In here, really cute little design. You could probably get really creative here in this area. So here is the master bath. I want to go ahead and say, immediately when I walked in here, I did notice, like, you know, stuff like this. Just needs like some caulking. You could probably get away with keeping this tub. But one thing they did tell me about this shower, and I will tell you, they said the water tends to pool in this back corner, and you have to kind of like shove it down the drain, but you can see it needs like some caulking right there. So now that we've gone through and I've given you an idea of what we need to work on, I'll go and just do an in-depth type of video. So a little bit where I'm not talking, so you can reference that later. If you're wondering what's below the bed, they said their CPAP machines were placed below the bed because they didn't want to have to leave it out. Okay, so let me go through and do a video. Thanks.